Hello, I'm the Convalescing Soul. Welcome to my channel. Today we are reading from Colette BARON-REID's guidebook, The Spirit Animal Oracle. Now, I've tried to, I hate it when I have like black on my eyes from my mascara. I don't know, maybe that's a message for someone. I don't know what kind of message that is, but grooming, we gotta groom. So I also feel like I have like a fluff in my mouth. Okay. Maybe it's a feather, maybe it's a parrot feather. Parrot spirit, watch your words. Isn't that true? It's card number 45, which reduces to a 9. There are people out there that have pet parrots and they teach them to say some very naughty things. Be careful what you say, right? Oh yeah, I was mentioning I've tried to record this video a number of times and I've always come up with some kind of a problem. The sound doesn't record, the video doesn't record. I get phone calls or interruptions. Even this fluff in my mouth thing on my eye, like I could have stopped and tried again, but I'm going with it because so far it seems to be working. Parrot spirit, let us read. When is the last time you shook a tail feather and shined your light for all to see? Within each of us is a peacock spirit yearning for expression. Wait a second. This is not the peacock. This is the parrot. See? Things keep going wrong. Okay. Parrot spirit. Well, you know what number 46 is, right? We're on 45. Parrot spirit, watch your words. What are you saying to yourself better? What messages are you repeating? Is it something that makes you feel good about yourself and reminds you of your strengths and potential? Parrots mimic the sounds around them, and when parrot spirit appears, it is time to be more mindful of your self-talk and its qualities. What do you say to others? Are you repeating what you truly believe? Remembering to speak with light and love can become a habit. Be generous with compliments and thanks, affirming all that is good so that your loving, healing words will be heard throughout the jungle, cutting through the noise and inspiring others. Listen for the words that remind you of all the strength, abundance, and joy in your life and in the world around you, and then repeat them, affirming what is real, true, and nurturing the soul, and nurturing to the soul. The universe will reflect back to you the story you tell. Words matter. So choose ones that lift you up and inspire others to remember the beauty that surrounds us. It's coming to my mind a story I heard about, I guess you could call it like an object lesson, where someone had an orange and they were like squeezing the orange. Like, okay, if I'm squeezing this orange, like what's going to come out of it? Well, obviously if you squeeze an orange juice is going to come out of it, right? Not grape juice, not apple juice, not pineapple juice. You can only get orange juice from the orange when you squeeze it. And it likened the orange to ourselves. If someone were to squeeze us, what's going to come out of us? Well, the only thing that can come out of us is what's inside of us. So if we are filled up with hate, anger, sadness, vengeance, anything negative, when we feel the squeeze, that's probably what's going to come out, because that's what's inside. In contrast, if we're filled with love and light and compassion and generosity and kindness, when the squeeze comes, what will come out of us? All of those wonderful things. So much like the parrot, what it hears comes out, right? So it's very important what we are on the inside, right? Anyways, I liked that. I'm glad I got to share it with you. Okay, and as always, the parrot spirit comes with a protection message. And it says, are you aware of what you're saying to yourself and others? Parrot spirit shows up as a reminder to heed the words that flow from your mouth, your pen, and your keyboard. Be mindful of the beliefs you have internalized. Are they what you choose to believe? Are you communicating with integrity? Parrot spirit wants you to listen to what you say and your motives for saying it. Right speech is called for now, which means you're called to reflect on the beliefs you have been which means you're called to reflect on the beliefs that have been parroted by people so often that you simply accepted them unquestioningly. Journal about what you truly believe and wish to see in the world and in your life. Write words affirming what you value. Speak them aloud, expressing gratitude for what is just coming into being. Your voice has power. And you can change the conversation in your heart and in the world around you. Parrots represent the law of praise, so you are called to speak the truth and speak with love. Oh. There's an old saying, garbage in, garbage out, right? So also be careful what we are bringing into our bodies, into our minds, right? The music you listen to, the things you watch, the things, your beliefs, the things, gossip, all of those things. Be careful what you are allowing into your body, because again, what's inside is going to leak out, squeeze out, come out. So a good reminder, good lesson for all of us. I can see where I can definitely use the message. Alrighty, much love and blessings.